Welcome to Master Coach and Master NLP Practitioner training. In this training, you're going to learn who you really are. Now, I know you might think you know who you really are. We'll wait till you complete NLP Master Practitioner training. In this training, for the first 4 days, you're going to learn much about who you actually are, such as your values. Your values are unconscious and they're in a hierarchy. There are some values that are more important than others and they drive your very behavior. For example, my number one value is growth. Now, growth being my number one value means that the pile of books next to my bed is about this high. And I'm an avid reader and I also learn myself. I will often do, over a year, I will do at least 40 to 50 hours of training on myself to develop myself and to grow myself. And I've learned over the years that it is one of the best investments you can ever make, because typically when you grow your understanding of who you are and you grow your skills, you expand the possibilities of what you can actually achieve in life. So in Masters, you're going to learn a lot through your own values, those actual drivers that drive your behavior in your actual values. Now, there's another element that predicates our behavior, and that is your belief systems. You're going to learn a technique where you can change any belief that's holding you back. You can change that between 3 seconds to 30 seconds. I'll show you a very, very quick way that you can actually change your neurology. You'll feel the difference when you get into your beliefs and you turn them around. In fact, not only will you feel the difference, you will see your life shift and change as a result of changing your core beliefs.
It's unlocked and unleashed my fullest and best potential within me, and now I have the opportunity to instill that within others. The peer group's amazing, Rick's amazing, the support team. I don't think I've been in any kind of training course and had the learnings embedded so deeply within me. You're on a winner. Highly recommend it.
You're also going to learn a lot about a thing called meta programs. Your meta programs are the underlying filters in your neurology that, like your values and your beliefs, predicate your behavior. For example, some of us are black and white thinkers. And black and white thinkers need to have a right and a wrong, need to have a yes and a no. However, others are what we call shades of grey. People who are shades of grey have more options available to them than black and white thinkers. And you'll discover whether you're a black and white thinker or a shades of grey thinker. There's another meta program which is called away from motivation and toward motivation. In other words, the things that motivate you are either pain, that is, there's something that is painful, so you'll move away from pain, but only far enough so that the pain disappears. Whereas if you're toward motivated, you will keep moving, and keep moving until you achieve your motivation. That is what's motivating you. So these are examples of meta programs, and it's a list of questions that once you've got these questions, they're brilliant if you're a coach to find out exactly what are the programs that switch behavior. So you're going to learn more about others than they will know about themselves inside of about 3 minutes. Now, the other thing that you're going to learn in Masters is learning how to ask powerful questions. Now, this is perfect if you're a performance coach, or you're someone who's a consultant or a manager, or anyone literally who deals with people. You might have learnt NLP Practitioner, and that's more about getting rid of your stuff and moving and shifting a lot of your baggage and programs and patterns. Masters is now about starting to install new insights and skills and more understanding about who you actually are. This is a game changer. I promise you that what you will find from this training is an incredible new self. This is a complete liberation. It will be one of the best trainings that you have ever done.
Gotten a direction in life which I didn't have before. I've done a lot of personal development over the years, and what I really got was how to quiet my mind and really get a direction on where I wanted to go, as opposed to where I thought I should go. In doing that, anything's possible now. It really is a life beyond limits.
I would recommend it to anyone who wants to develop themselves personally, to help other people, to be in service, and just to get greater vision or clarity in their life. Yeah.
If you're feeling a little bit stuck, or you feel like life's not getting you to where you really want to be, or you're not achieving your goals, or something's shifted or changed and you don't know what it is, this is going to be your answer, because you, my friend, have a bunch of neural programs within you that is determining these outcomes. So you're going to understand exactly what you need to understand in order to shift and change your behavior. So this is perfect for coaches. This is perfect for anybody who really wants to transform their lives. This is awesome for leaders and managers, and specifically people who deal with people.
I've just completed Masters, and wow, it has actually been the most fun week of my life. I'm so proud of myself, and if you do this course, you'll be equally proud of you. Do the course. It's freaking amazing.
The greatest thing about this course is that you get to discover who you are, what you value, what your beliefs are, and how to be the best person you can possibly be. And what greater gift is there than that?
And who would have thought life mastery was so easy? Rick teaches NLP Masters with such great skill, such great courage, but most of all with such great heart.
What I got out of this was the confidence to coach. Don't sit there and let what's holding you back stop you from achieving your dreams. Get out there and sign up to this course now.
This is Masters. This is a game changer. If you want to join us for Masters, down below you can enroll or you can find out more. But here's the thing. Decisive people are the small minority that get great results in their lives. In fact, they're our best students. People who can make a decision quickly, who can get in there and just simply make a decision and work out the how later, are typically the people who succeed most. So I'm going to encourage you now to enroll in this program, because this is the difference that makes a difference. This is Masters. My name is Rick Schnabel, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at Masters. Bye for now.